You want to know what I like about my new pop-on veneers? I didn't know how they were going to show up. I didn't know if they were going to work. It was so simple and easy that when they showed up, it's like, boom, I'm out the door. I catch a train, the bus, a date. Peace. I just thought like they wouldn't look right. They wouldn't fit right, or like they would fall off, or like they would be sharp inside my mouth. Just anything. But they showed up and they were perfect. I couldn't have been happier. Um, so, anyways, yeah. Here's how I keep them. Actually, this isn't. How do I point it this way? I don't know what you can see over here. Let's see. Yeah, I keep them in the container like that. But anyways, so yeah, that's what I was walking around with. So when I talk or like whatever, it's when I smile, it's not very attractive. But with these new pop-ons, just like that, I can run out the door. I can go on a date. I can go catch the bus on time, catch the train on time, whatever, you name it, and I'm out the door. Peace. 5 years ago, I got my tooth pulled out in order to get a implant, and I ended up leaving state where I couldn't get the implants. Actually, I purchased a $750 flipper, and that thing would not stay in my mouth at all. It was a waste of money. They tried it. They sent me a new one. It didn't work. I'll try to alter it myself. I gave up. So I decided to go this route. I was like, because everything else costs $5,000 for an implant or $3,500 for a bridge, and a flipper costs $750, but you got to spend $1 million to get, they got to take X-rays, do all that. So I thought that, in all honesty, I thought I would try this for $300. I figured it was worth the gamble. And I really didn't expect it to work out. So, I tried it. The impressions came quickly, and it turned out they were user friendly. I thought that was going to be a pain, but I just watched the videos, did what they said, and boom, they came. I was happy with the impressions. I sent them in, and when they responded right back. Oh, and everything was super friendly too. I was surprised at that, being so many customers. They could, I didn't expect so much, help with the support team and everything. But yeah, they bent over backwards if you ask them to. So, anyways, they finally showed up in the mail. And what I assumed was they were gonna, like, the color was gonna be off, but I wasn't too worried about that. But I was worried. I thought they weren't gonna fit right, or they were gonna fall off like my old flipper did, or they were gonna look weird, or they just simply wouldn't fit, and I would not even be able to wear them. That's what I basically thought was gonna end up happening. But when I got them, the first thing I did is pop them on, and boom, just like I was hoping. They fit perfect with no messing around. Literally, there's my teeth there. Literally, boom, 1 second it took, and I have teeth all of a sudden. I can go do whatever I want. Even if I'm, like, at the last second, if I'm running out the door, and I'm like, oh shoot, I forgot. I can turn, like, literally in 1 second. You just saw. I'm ready to go. So, anyways, I'll show you. The molds here and how they fit right on. This was let's see, this is my mold, I don't know how to do it, of my teeth. I know you can edit this, so I got time. This is the mold of my teeth they gave me back. That's a free gift I got. And here you can see the tooth missing there, and I'm bad with this. Like, here you go, I guess. So, anyways, then they pop right on like this. Where's the teeth in this picture? I don't know. Right there. Okay, so here's my teeth, and voila, fit right on. just like that. Just like that. Oh, if you want to see this side, make it look worse, right? That's what we need to do. Make it look bad. So, and they're in. And I can talk. That was another thing. I was worried about if I could talk. Because with my flippers, I couldn't talk at all. Highly recommend. I'm telling everybody about them. So, hopefully I got y'all got some more business. So, thank you very much. And actually, I just ordered another pair. Since they work out so good, now that they already have the mold, they can zap them out for me at half the price. So now I just ordered another pair, and next month I'm gonna try to order 2 more, just so I have backup while until I maybe eventually I'm gonna end up getting an implant. Some people say this is a temporary solution, which it probably is, but no better temporary solution that I can think of. So this is great. Thanks, guys. Bye.